Hey guys, so I wanted to give an update on the CAD design of the FL UAS from ARMA 3. So here's kind of an overall assembly. You can see I got the arms on. I don't have the arms quite finished yet. I need to make sure they clear the props. But everything else is starting to fit together nicely. Here's a cutout for the flight controller, VTX, and camera cut. Here's a battery, and then just like a little more space to run some wires through to the flight controller. And then up here, some more battery space, and then also where the arms are going to be coming in at. So as you can see, well, that's not going to work, of course. Great. But anyway, they're supposed to move. We'll see if I can turn off the section view and if it'll work. No, awesome. What about this? All right, anyway, well, that's supposed to unscrew too, but whatever. Anyway, so there's kind of like a little preview of what's going to happen so far. I might cut a few air holes here so that way I can get some airflow onto the flight controller. There's the camera again. So 2 cuts here for the VTX, and then here's for the camera has 2 pins on the side that I'm going to use to kind of keep it stable, and maybe put a 3rd pin here. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, it's coming together pretty nice. So hopefully I'll get these arms finished up. I'm going to run some rubber bands or something across the top to kind of spring load the arms to come out. And then after that, here's some motor wiring. So run the motor wiring through here, under here, and then into this little tube. Sorry. Into this little tube right here, and then run it down kind of with the battery. And go from there. And then these little holes up here for the pins to keep the motor joint or arm joint stable. I don't know if I really like that design, but it'll work for now. So, and then there's a little like lip that comes up, so that way it'll hopefully stop the arm from going crazy when the motors are actually mounted in high throttle. But we'll see, depending on the tolerances of my 3D printer. You never know. So that's a little bit about progress. All right, I think I figured it out. So I just refreshed the page and magically it started working again, mostly. So, yay, arms go up, go down, perfect. And here's the kind of like screwed in camera mount. So we'll see. I might change that a little bit, but I kind of like the idea of having a modular nose so that way you can change it to have different payloads or whatever you want. Like if you want to throw a mesh tastic or something up there as a repeater or something cool like that, that'd be sweet. But we'll see. For now, it's just going to be a camera. So thanks.